Hey there guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to resolve this integral, to get the integral of this problem over here. It's pretty simple actually. I'm gonna explain you why I chose this formula. And first of all, I'm gonna have a formulary for integrals, calculus, yeah, I'm gonna leave you a link in the description so that you can download one. Getting back to the problem. So first of all, if you analyze this, you can realize that we can use this formula, okay? And first of all, this is not exactly alike the formula over here, but these two can be modified a little bit, not altering the essential values of the problem. But we can do a couple of tricks. So first of all, we know that we need an a square, right? We need an a square, right? And this is not squared, so that might be a problem, yeah. And we need a u squared. We have this, and this has a non-squared. Well, actually every number has a non-squared number. So actually this squared over here is very superficial. So we're gonna see how we can get advantage of this. And now we need a derivative of u. So first of all, we need to know if actually this over here can be useful and get a derivative that will be similar to this. At least have the x squared, because this constant over here, remember that is not really important, because we can put aside the constant at any time. And so now we're gonna go through the problem now of analyzing this. We need to know what is u, all right, to see if actually it's this is useful. So we need to define the variables. U, primarily we need to know what is u, and u, all right, let me choose another pen over here. So u has got to be obviously unsquared u squared. All right, so u squared, we know that this is, well, we're going to put it like this, okay, x to the 6th. So algebraically we know that this u would be x to the 3rd. If you don't know the algebra, you might want to go to high school, right, or to elementary school or whatever. So we know that this is useful. Now let's figure out if what is the derivative of u. So this is going to be x, right, and we pass down the 3 and we get 3x squared dx. All right, and now what about a? Well, at this point we know that we got x squared, which is the most important thing here, because we got x squared here, we got x squared here, and we're this is a good sign, this is a very good opportunity. So now going forward to the problem, we need to now resolve the a thing here. So a, there's a trick, if a squared is 5, we can also say that a squared is 5 squared root to the 2nd exponent. And we're not modifying the essential value of the original problem. Why? Because we know that this is 5. This is incredible. So we're going to use this value over here, and in this case, if this is a squared, this is going to mean that a is this, right? So this is the trick that I was talking about. Now let's put in here a is going to be 5. All right, now let's get erase all this crap, and now we have all the variables needed to get the integral. Now we're going to integrate, the most fun part of all this. So we're going to put aside the 7, right? We're going to put the 7 out here. This is why I'm gonna write it down like this, and I'm gonna write it again, 7 and x squared dx over, we're gonna put in the original values, right? We know that a squared is this. Remember that. We're gonna put this over here just to make sure you remember that. And now minus u squared. So to make it more visible for us to know that we got u squared, we're going to put in the u and we're going to square it. And we can see that we have all the variables needed. Now we're going to put in the values. You know, we're going to use the formula now. So we're going to put in here 7 aside, and then this is multiplying 1 over 2a, multiplying the natural logarithm of u, which is x to the third, plus a, which is 5 square root, and over the same values but with different sign resting them, plus c. And we're almost done. Now let's just make it more simple. You know, let's simplify this. So we got 7 over 2a. Sorry, I could have missed this, right? A, we know that a is this. Sorry. Now let's go on. And this is going to be simply 7 over 2 multiplying 5 square root times natural logarithm of 3 plus 5 divided by x to the third, sorry, minus this, and we add the constant, and there we have it. So that is the answer. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comments section of the video, and that would be it. So have an awesome day.